Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recording live Ocala, Florida about Tropical Storm Nicole. I just see stuff flying across the road and I'll show you something that happened over here. Go back. Okay. Oh my god. So strong. So this is what happened. In here. Pieces are everywhere right now. Don't want this to get on fire. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So this is so much stuff over here. It fell over here. The gusts are really strong. This is all the stuff. And it's hard to pick up this because this thing is heavy. It's the 45 miles gusted! Oh! 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 No. Oh my god. Okay. Nicole is definitely worse than Ian though. That's for sure. Unless he's just closer. It comes from over there. Whoa. This is insane right now. Okay, these things are crazy, these winds. The neighbor's trash can, toter, it fell over. Oh my god. That's probably where all the trash came in. This is so bad. Oh my god. These gusts are really strong. I think there's another one coming. It always comes from over there. Oh my god. It's raining hard. Man, this is way stronger than Ian. Trees over there all blowing. Whoa! That's a big gust right there. Big boy. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that one over there. The trees. Oh my god. Alright guys, make sure to smash that like button. If you want to see more of this, then remember to subscribe and I'll see you next time guys.